Hey guys, the Super Music Friends Show is on.
Grab a sandwich with Reeve Oliver and their hit song, I Like Sandwiches.
I like sandwiches.
I like eating sandwiches for lunch and dinner. There are so many chances to eat a good sandwich in so little time now. We can go to the beach and lay out a blanket and open a basket. And inside, there's so many sandwiches I put in my hand and start on my first one. You found a submarine and I got a hoagie. And we're both smiling, eating. Let's do it again soon. La 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 la. La 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 la. I like eating sandwiches for lunch and dinner. There are so many chances to eat a good sandwich in so little time now. You found a submarine and I got a hoagie. Let's do it again soon. La 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 la. I love my sandwiches. I love my sandwiches. I love my sandwiches.
Listening and dancing to music is awesome!
We must be getting close. The map says there's a big red X right here. But I don't see any X's.
Oh, Tootie! X marks the spot on the map we're looking for.
Oh! Hey, do you hear something?
Hey, yeah! It's music!
I see something! I see something!
What is it?
It's an ice! I need your help. Will you check my backpack for something we can use to fix the wheel? To say backpack in Spanish, we say mochila. Can you say mochila? Great! Say mochila! Louder! Mochila!
Sing mochila with me. Mochila, 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 mochila. Llena con todas tus cosas, todo lo traigo aquí. Todo lo que necesites llevo dentro de mí. Mochila, 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 mochila. ¡Sí! ¡Rápido! Dora needs something to stick the wheel back together. ¿Dónde está el sticky tape? ¡Sí, ahí está! ¡Muy bien! ¡Yum, yum, 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 yum! ¡Delicioso!
We're about to go over the waterfall! And there's someone on it!
Wow! This is fun and exciting. DJ Lance was right.
Yes, I never got to see. Uh-oh.
What is it, Barney?
Don't look down.
Wow! We're almost to an island.
I could drive. Maybe some of us could go back up the ladder and watch for another ship that could help us.
I will. I'll go all the way back up to the crow's nest.
Okay.
And I'll stay
with my brother BJ.
Oh, okay. And the rest of us can go exploring into the...
Well, hello there. My name's Shelly, and this here's my saltwater fish band.
Hi, my name's Fufa. This is Plex,
Hi.
Bruno, Judy, and Ruby.
Hi! We've come from far, far away.
Are there any tropical islands where you come from?
Trouble what?
A tropical island. It's like a little jungle in the middle of the sea, like this one. We like to jam out here on the beach because it's the cool place to be. Beaches, beaches, so much fun. You can play all day in the sunny sun. Palm trees, warm sand. Everything is great on the island.
At the beach, it's a great day at the beach. Tropical island fun. It's a great day under the sun. I like to sunbathe.
I like eating the cool shade.
Finding shells and coconuts too. So many things that you can do. At the beach, it's a great day at the beach. Tropical island fun. It's a great day under the sun.
I can make a sandcastle.
I can even fly a kite.
We can have fun, we'll dance and sing. Playing at the beach is just the thing.
At the beach, it's a great day at the beach. Tropical island fun. It's a great day under the sun. Yeah.
Wow, beaches are awesome.
You guys are all right.
Well, I think it's time to go back home. But thanks for showing us your tropical island ways.
Anytime, my friends, anytime. Come back and see us again real soon.
Wow!
Okay, boys. 1, 2, 3.
I'm pretty tired too. I guess it's time for us to go. Thanks for the fun, everyone. Thanks, Professor Tinkerpot. Thanks, Barney. See you later.
So long.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye, Miss.
See you later. It's such a long way home. How are we gonna make it back?
DJ Lance, can you help us?
I sure can. Did you guys have a fun time on your boat?
My name is Mickey. I like to dance. Story time. Once upon a time, there lived a tiny magic people called the Manahoonis. The Manahoonis lived in the islands of the South Pacific Ocean. Late at night, when people were asleep, the Manahoonis would work and build wonderful things. But when the sun came up, they would always stop working and go play. One night, the big volcano on their island started to rumble and growl. Volcanoes were dangerous, so they worked very hard all night to build these little boats called canoes. They had to work fast so that they could escape in the little boats. But as the sun began to rise, the Manahoonis stopped working. They got tired of work and wanted to play. Tulo, the youngest Manahooni, said, "Everyone, come on! We've got to finish building these canoes so we can get off this island." Just then, the volcano erupted. Tulo said, "Come on, let's finish what we started."
Okay, brother.
They finished the little canoe boats and sailed away just in time. The Manahoonis found a new, safer island to call home. And this island did not have a volcano. The end. Hi, I'm Jalila, and my cool trick is a Tahitian dance from the islands. I'm Jalila, and my cool trick is a Tahitian dance from the islands.
Yo! Hi! It's almost time to go.
Aww.
But first, let's remember all the fun things we did today.
Okay.
First, we got in our boat and sailed through the ocean.
So I thought I'd fly by and just say, "Hi!"
Then, Broby tried a sandwich, and he liked it.
I tried it, and now I like it.
And finally, we met some cool new friends on the beach.
It's a great day at the beach.
All right, today was a totally nautical day.
Yeah!
Now it's time to dance.
Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Well, let's do it. I'll break it down.
Party!
In my tummy, party, party. There's a party in my tummy. Yum, 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 yummy, yummy.
I love the party in my tummy.
I see you're on a boat trip. So I thought I'd fly by and just say, "Hi!"
Yes, we're on a boat trip. We're gonna have fun at night.
Riot.
Riot,
You like it.
you'll like it.
Riot.
Riot,
You like it.
you'll like it.
I like it.
He likes it.
I like it.
He likes it.
I tried it,
He tried
and
it.
now I like it.
He likes it.
At the beach, it's a great day at the beach. Tropical island fun, it's a great day under the sun.
Yeah. Hooray.
I had a great time today. Thanks for playing with us. See you next time.
Bye!
Here we go. Yo, Gabba Gabba!
Magic